Interesting numbers there. The Hood Group, a consortium of business persons and professionals, have added their voice in calling for Kenyans to move on from the current perpetual electioneering mood. The group, through their chairman, Nderitu Mwangi, urged Kenyans to keep peace and move on, adding that the economy had taken a beating since the start of the political stalemate.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kenyans are very tired and want to move on with their normal lives as before. Businesses have suffered huge losses, some are at the brink of collapsing. It is time to restore the country back to normalcy. I take this opportunity to urge the political class, whether in government or opposition, to let Kenyans go about their normal lives and businesses. This country must now move on. We therefore request the judiciary and the police to work together and address the issue of impunity. It is also important to state that Kenyans have equal rights, and none of us have more superior rights than the others. We cannot accept demonstration to continue disrupting business in Kenyan cities. As much as people have the right to picket and demonstrate, businessmen have a right to conduct their businesses uninterrupted. This is notwithstanding the looting and destruction of property that goes on. We have previously suggested setting up of special places where demonstration and picketing can be done without disrupting businesses. Your rights must stop where mine begins.